Hello everyone and welcome back to Young Class Academy. So in this video we are going to continue our restaurant website. Okay, so let's go. Let me share my screen with you. So, yes. Okay, let me turn off my video so that you can see easily. Okay, so let's go. So last time what we have done, we have done structuring our website, right? So now what we are gonna do is we are going to style. Okay, now what we are gonna do is we are going to style our CSS. Okay, so let's go. Let me see, divide the screen into two so that you can easily see what going on. Now what I'm going to do is first we are going to fix our blank space. So we have some blank space, right? Like, let me show you. Right click, open with live server. Okay, so see, there are some blank spaces over there. So the screen looks too big, right? So we are going to fix it. Okay, so let me close this one. Okay, first of all, what we are going to do is star exclamatory. Okay, universal selector, right? We already know that we are going to provide margin of 0, padding of 0 as well, so that no nothing will be I'm going to give a bonus. Yes, let me snooze this first. Wait. Let me snooze 5, 10, 25, 30, 45, like this. Okay. Lah. So I've given a border box. Okay. Now I'm going to target body. Okay. So body I've targeted. Font family I will give. So I'm going to give a font family of Arial and sans serif. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to style our nav bar. Okay, nav bar will be background color will be hashtag E634946 okay, something like this. Okay, after that I'm going to add padding will be our 15 pixel. Okay, so text align will be at center. Okay, so center I've given. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is nav. Okay, I'm going to target the reference. Okay, look, let me show you where our nav is. Okay, it came inside like this. Okay, look, it came inside in the middle, right? So now it's looking somehow. Okay, so let's go. Now what I'm going to do is color white. Okay, I'm going to choose a color white. Okay, now text decoration will be none, so that I can perfectly now margin. So there will be a 0 and 15 pixels from the top 0 to bottom 0, and after that font weight will be bold little bit so that it will be easily visible. Okay, so let's see. Home menu contact. Okay, now unlike this, good. Now I'm going to target our hero section. Okay, dot hero, we have created a class called dot hero. Okay, so I'm going to provide a display will be our flex so that I can easily put anything anywhere. So let's see what let me put this code upside. You can see here class is our hero. Okay, right? Now we are going to target this. Look, it came half of. Okay, right? Okay, I need this one only. So now I will be using justify content space between, that is. Okay, flex item evenly distributed in a proper line. Okay, align items, so align items will be at the center. Okay, so padding I will give 40 pixels and 60 pixels so that it will be easily will background color will be hash FFF5F5. Okay, that is drag white. Flex wrap will be wrap. Okay, let's see. Okay, somehow good. Okay, so we will do it again. So now what I'm going to do is we are going to target the hero section. Hero, so inside hero there will be a text. Okay, we have given targeted only h1, right? Okay, so color I will select. Okay, color will be hashtag E3 E63946. Okay, 946. That is our red. So now I'm going to put a margin, marg, and margin bottom. Okay, I have missed semicolon there. That's why it's not run. Okay, now margin bottom. Margin bottom will be our 10 pixels. Okay, so this is also done. Let me see. Yummy kisses on the color changes to red. Okay, So margin bottom also done, 10 pixels. So now I'm going to target the hero img. Okay, we have an image tag there, right? So we are going to target that. So we are going to provide width of 320 pixels. Okay, and border radius of slightly curved, right, at the corner side, 15 pixels. Okay, so you can see here easily. Now it's looking somehow good, right? Okay, nice. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to target that button as well. So button, button, button. Okay, button, I'll give a margin top. Okay, top side 15 pixels. Okay, width of 15 pixels. Okay, padding I will give of 10 pixels from the top button. Okay, and 25 pixels from the side. Okay, left, right. So let's see. Okay, so border also I need to, border I don't need, so border I will give none. Okay, so background color. Okay, background color I will give as uh, E63946. Okay, so color will be our white as well. Okay, so font size will be 16 pixel. Okay, border radius, will be 6 pixel. Okay, cursor pointer. Okay, cursor pointer. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now it's good, right? Whenever we are just uh, making, look, mouse, the mouse pointer, look, it changes, right? So nice. Now we are going to provide a hover as well, hover effect button. We are targeting hover, right? So like this, hover. Okay, so background color will should be changed to hashtag D628, D62828. Okay, okay, somehow red but slightly like tomato color. Okay, now I'm going to target menu. Okay, so menu I'll be targeting, this one will go here. Okay, so it's not right now it's not showing, right? It will show, definitely it will show, don't worry about it, guys. Menu box. Okay, so now I'm going to provide a display of flex so that I can display. Now you can see easily our menu came this side and our images came this side, right? Separate side. Now what I'm going to do is I'll provide a gap of 20 pixel. Okay, after that justify content. Okay, at the center. Okay, flex wrap. Okay, wrap will be our wrap only. Okay, so margin at the top side will be 20 pixels. Okay, so let's see. Mhm. Okay, our menu came at the center, right? Like this, I need it. Okay, right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to target the menu items. Okay, menu items, we have a menu item, right? So I'm going to target that. So I'm going to put it width of 200 pixels. So background color of hashtag f8 f9fa. Okay, now border radius is slightly little bit curved, so that I'm going to put a 12 pixel box shadow of 0 4 pixel. Okay, 10 pixel. Okay, and RGBA of, so that the shadow will be appearing 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 1, sorry, 0 comma 0 comma 0 0.15. Look, now that the shadow will be appearing somehow. Okay, we will, after finishing the, it will show, I think so. No, let's see, padding at the bottom. Okay, 10 pixel. Okay, nice transition. Where is the transition, let me type all this, I think so. Transition transform transform 0.3s. Okay, nice. Okay, so I think menu items or menu item, let me check. Okay, once, uh, let me remove this one. We are adding to index.html. Where is this menu item? Here is menu item. Item, menu item. Okay, everything menu item only. So your time good. Item. Okay, everything is good. Okay, okay, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to target this image as well first. Okay. So what I'm going to do is dot menu item. Okay, menu item over effect I'm going to add. So transform will be scale. Okay, I'm going to provide 1.08. Okay, now I'm going to target the menu item image. Okay, menu item img. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a width of how much is 100%. Okay, so that it will be flexible enough for the website. Okay, now I'm going to add a border radius of how much? Border radius of 12 pixel. Okay, wait, sorry, 12 pixel again. Okay, for top, bottom, and 0 and 0. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay, over effect is also good. Okay, nice. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to target menu item span. Okay, spam. Okay, nice. Now I'm going to add a color in there. Color will be our hash E3 E63946. Okay, so font weight will be our bold so that it will be enough to look. Okay, so like this, let me drag. Okay, not here, not this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to target now contact section. Okay, so let me show you first. Okay, let me pull. I think. Okay, after refreshing, somehow it is coming, but somehow it is not coming. Right? Let me minimize this process going on. Okay, over effect it's coming. Image img menu items menu img. Okay, let me check it. Okay, how many box menu items? Okay, it will be soon. Wait, let me show you. Okay, wait. Where is this code? Our code. Uh, now what we are going to do is we are going to target contact section, right? Okay, let me target the contact section first. Dot contact untact contact. Okay, background will be linear gradient. Okay, 135 degree 135 degree hashtag fff 0f3. Okay, hashtag ffe 5ec. Nice. Okay, padding I will give it as, sorry, padding I will give it as 50 pixel and 20 pixel. Okay, so text align will be our center. Okay, nice. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to target contact. Okay, I'm going to target the heading inside there. So I'm going to provide a color, color, color of what? Hashtag E63946, the red one. Okay, now I'm going to provide a margin bottom of 25 pixel. Okay, font size of 32 pixel. Okay, good. So now what I'm going to do is simply uh, for the contact box as well, I'm going to target the contact box. So contact box display, it will be display flex. Nice. And justify content will be at the center. Good. Gap will be our 25 pixel. Good. Flex wrap will be our will wrap it. Good. So now it's individual contact card. So we need to create an individual contact card. Okay, like this. Look, let me make this big. We will try to look after that. Okay, or we will see first contact section. Okay, now our contact section like this, right? So we'll target each and every one. Okay, what we are going to do is first dot contact item. Okay, first we are going to contact item. Okay, nice. Background color will be white. Sorry, background color. Okay, I think white, not wheat, it's white. Okay, so padding will be 20 pixel and 30 pixel. Okay, border radius will be 15 pixel. Sorry, control Z. I typed 25 pixel instead of 15 pixel. Okay, width of 220 pixels. Okay, 220 pixel. And box shadow, let's give a box shadow so it looks like somehow good. Okay, 15 pixel RGBA 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.15. Okay, nice. Now transition, let's add a transition and transform TRA and SFOR transform of 0.3 second. Okay, nice. Now it's emoji. Emoji, we have text, we have lots and lots of work in the, even we need to fix our menu item, right? Item is using span. Okay, span font size, what will be font size? 35 pixel. That's good. Okay, display will be block. Nice. Okay, now margin bottom is margin bottom time 10 pixel. Okay, good. Okay, nice. So we have targeted emoji as well. Now we need to target the contact item paragraph. We have paragraph, right? So we are going to target that as well. Font size first. Font size will be our 16 pixel, so that it will clearly be visible to our user, right? Now is font weight bold. Okay, so now we are going to add what? We are going to add over effect also. Over effect where? Inside our context section, right? Border effect transform translate. Okay, now translate y. Okay, y minus 8 pixels. Okay, and scale of 1.05. Nice. Okay, now I think contact our, okay, look, nice. Now we are going to target last one. We have footer. Now footer time. Now background color will be hashtag E60946 only. Okay, color will be white as usual, WHITE, white. Okay, text align will be center. Okay, padding will be our 10 pixel. Padding will be 10 pixel. Okay, nice. Now footer also done. Okay, now the remaining is only this menu item. So we'll see next video. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next video. Till then, bye bye.